So anyway, what we're doing is apparently trying to get this engine
Put it on all the way.
in
Eat a dick.
that car. Why are you
I
guys?
wasn't doing anything else tonight. Maybe I'd try.
I can't keep them from cussing.
Dick isn't a cuss.
Shut up.
YouTube's okay with dick.
I meant like the guy's name's Richard, so go and eat Richard because he's awfully tasty.
There's a restaurant called Richard's.
Yes.
They
Richard's
sell
is
breakfast
super
foods.
tasty. We are eat breakfast at Richard's.
How do you pour? How do you pour a plastic manifold? With a Dremel.
How do you pour a plastic manifold?
Make the holes bigger. Just that over here on the other thing.
Don't they make an aftermarket like aluminum manifold for these? They have to. There's enough people that do like turbos on these. They would have to have a larger manifold.
Everybody's running VR6s and all the things. We're gonna get so many followers from this video.
Probably not.
Yeah.
And if you're hungry, go ahead and stop on by Matt Anthony's in Auburn on Main Street.
Or go eat at Richard's.
Or eat at
It's delicious.
And nutritious. Tastes just like chicken.
Their chicken's very creamy.
Are they gonna make it to the Super Bowl?
It's not. That's not even. Oh my god. Yeah, hockey. That's it.
He does have a valid point. I'm gonna put this on.
It'll be easier to get in if you just. Well,
It'll be right here.
Should we do
Shotgun.
this first?
With the bolts.
hey, you lied to me. You said that was attached. I didn't look.
Gravity.
Should we do this?
We guys, none of this is attached either.
Should we do this first?
Maybe you
That-
should wire up the purple
This
wire
is the new
first.
engine harness that hasn't been deburred.
Oh my god.
That's why I bought this one.
Okay. Then yes, run that on here as much as you can.
Look at it. It's like
Yeah, that's.
I wasn't feeling to like mess with an engine swap, a training swap, and this wire.
Well, I mean, it's like, hey, let me just rewire that. Let me get the
So-
purple wire.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think this is going to be a good way to.
That's a little sketchy if you ask me.
No, I'm literally holding it with like.
Just hold it by the
Two
iPad.
fingers.
This is the coolest looking tennis racket grip I've ever seen.
I know, right?
You do a salvage yard and just go find a wrecked
There's a wrecked R32 Mark V.
That's at Garmin right now. It's blue.
And a
Hey,
take apart
hey.
that I want to go.
Wes.
What?
That's going in. That's going in the vlog.
Okay.
Almost like, yeah, careful. Don't fall.
See? I was like, don't squat.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
Or do. I can't tell you how to live your life. You're getting the new brown shift now, by the way.
Maybe I
Excuse
want to
me?
feel it. No. He wants to sit down. Clearly.
Nobby.
Clearly, I want to sit down.
With my brown pants. kind of feel bad that I'm not helping, but
No, you don't.
I kind of don't.
Not in your khaki pants.
Hate on my pants.
Khakis. Stop being so khaki.
Like I'm the only person here not wearing Dickies. So
These aren't
not.
Dickies.
Aren't those Dickies?
These are Dickies.
I just said
These are Centos.
These are Centos.
they're from Dickies.
No, they're
though.
not.
Oh god, I got a hole.
What's your parent?
No.
Be the best time
I thought Dickies supplied Centos with pants.
Probably not.
They used to. When I worked at the.
No. Here, look at my ass.
No. I don't-
Oh, baby. Yeah. I'm not a fucking pervert.
He's got two kids.
You almost put three
that.
fingers up.
You did. You'll see it in the retake.
So if I step on this harness, it doesn't matter, right?
No, that's the good one.
Oh!
No, that's the one that's already in the car.
Got fucked up,
Please don't step on anything.
You want to go to war, D-Nice? Or Balake? It's Balake's going to war.
Who's going to war and why?
Balake? Because his name's Blake.
So one day we'll get this engine in. They'll get this engine in. I'm not doing anything. Right?
So should we compare this harness to the other one or just
5,000 years ago, actually. I don't think it was that long.
it's only 2019.
How do you know your knowledge on the Great Wall so well?
It's only 2019.
The only Great Wall I
the
know
world
is
was
Lisbon.
the world was created 2,019 years ago. Learn your history.
Well, before the
Adam and Eve walked with dinosaurs. Like they were pets.
You know you're going straight to hell for that.
All right, so here's the deal. We found like what, 3 bad terminals? I think 3. There was 2, and that was the third one.
Square one and then the one in the back that we had to redo 4 times.
Yeah, okay. So we fixed like the 2. And now we're in a situation
Or you Trump.
where we're not getting.
You got him!
So we've reached an impasse. So to say, we've come across a wall that we're going to have to build a ladder to climb over. There were 3 bad terminals. 2 bad terminals, and we
Just
pulled them
remember
off of the bad harness and one off of the crap harness off the crap engine that came out of this crap car that's soon to be a good car. And for whatever reason, because we're not experts at wiring, and our certified ASC Honda technician has taken over the controls of the bus here, and we're trying to get this one pin for the coolant temp sensor back together, and hopefully we'll be able to do that and continue on and get this motor in this car this weekend and make it a VR6 and not a crappy 2.0. So that's the story. But we're stuck
Sticking to it.
building a ladder to get over a wall because nobody likes walls. Tear the walls down. Tear the walls down.
So yeah. Anyway, we I guess right now, like I actually got my hands dirty. Yeah. Camera guy got his hands dirty. Yeah. All right. Anyway, I gotta go. So we're gonna say peace out.
They're like,
And
he's like, oh.
hopefully
You're
I
like,
can come back
well,
tomorrow and
oh,
we
if you're
can
like
figure
Jesus,
this out
it's
and get this
American,
engine
all
in.
of his Christmas
So
are all of his spiritual
yeah,
beliefs.
see you later.